You will receive a message to join a class. Verify, it says your classroom. Scroll down and click the blue button. Now activate your account by entering a password. Write your name and last name. Select student role. Then write the name of the school and check the boxes. And click on Get Started. Now set the options as shown on the video and click the Next button. Click Next again. Then verify that the nickname is the same than your original name and click Next. Wait for the browser check, and it will show a green check mark. Now you will see your dashboard. Click on Classes. Then double-click on the name of your class. It will show the assignments you have. Select the one you need to do. Read the instructions to develop your activity, and when you are ready, click on Start Assignment. And then it will show you the document to make your activity. The platform will save automatically everything you create on the document. When you finish your activity, click on Submit to send it to your teacher. It will show a green message to inform you the activity was submitted.